Hi guys, thank you for 70 subscribers. I'm gonna do a video. Oh yeah, do you know what I have a costume on for? I'm gonna be a taco for Halloween. But yes, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna wear my pants on, but my torso's, you know what I mean. My torso is gonna be off, like my jacket. I don't know what a t-shirt mean. Okay, but my daddy's gonna get a Nerf gun, and then I'm gonna stand like this, and then my daddy's gonna shoot me with the Nerf gun. But yeah, I hope you. Oh wait. Please subscribe.